In a complex project like a greenfield project, there's a whole array of people, interested parties and stakeholders that takes part in that process, right from leadership that supports the project to the team that is our internal customer. There is the engineering team and the discipline leads. So for us, having a tool that can really be used in the building information management space over and over to communicate a lot of information is absolutely valuable. We've used this in storytelling, we've used this in onboarding and repetitive sharing of information. There was instances of the EPCM company where we shared information for the cost engineers. So it really goes from a very high level to a very granular detail level, and it cuts across all the resources and users in that space. So the amount of people that we are able to reach with this kind of digital information, I think, is in the tens to, could be 50 people or so in this instance that we can share this information with.